Hello friends, welcome to Balmitra. Today we are going to see a 10-line essay on parrot. So let's start. Parrots are pet birds. They are colorful birds. They have a red beak. They have a red ring around their neck. They have the intelligence to mimic the human's speech. They love eating chilies. They eat seeds and fruits. They can found in different parts of the world. They live on the trees and in cages at home. They are really good pets. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so you will get the notification of my new videos. Thank you.